Good evening.
Go, sorry.
Good evening. Now we are going to see few mobility exercises as well as general stretching. These should be done before the activity, especially when we are starting our day with any kind of activity, whatever the activity it is, the game or the jogging. Okay. Let's start with the few exercises and the mobility. First, ankle rotation. The toe should be back and we should form a circle with the heel with 5 count or 8 counts in both the direction, clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now opposite. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next change. Lift the leg up and again rotation. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next change. Join the fingers, palm facing upward. Toe walk. Walk on toes. Heel should not be in contact with the ground. Toe walking. Next, heel walk. Forward as well as backward. Next, change. Bend the knee and hold the toe and just pull it. Both the knees should be equal. Change. At least 3 times. Hold it and pull the toe. Change. 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 Okay, next exercise. Keep pulling. Feel stretch with every exercise. Feel stretch. The number of repetitions depends on us. Whatever the exercise and the mobility movements we are doing, it depends on us how many repetitions and how vigorously we have to do it. Next. Open, stretch the leg sideward comfortably, bend down and touch the toe. General. Okay, next change. Bend, change. While we are doing this exercise, the back heel should be get lifted and feel comfortable. Don't go for the vigorous stretch. Okay, change. Left leg forward, hands on hip and bend forward. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch at hamstring. Just comfort. Be comfortable and do it. The exercise which we are doing is for the movement, to get the momentum for the body before starting any kind of activity. Okay, next change. Alternate toe touch. 10 count on each side. Relax. Slow jumping. Okay, change. Next hip rotation. Opposite direction. Relax. Palm facing upward. Lateral bending. Okay, now forward bending. Change. Elbow should be straight and biceps closer to the ear. Change. Hand swing. Alternate left and right up. Okay, change. Now diagonal. Okay, next change. 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 Okay, next change. Spot jog. Next change. Back kick. These were the few exercises which we can do before the start of an activity, and there were number of variations which we can do. It depends upon the time, how much time where is there for the start of an activity. Okay, thank you.